Presenting a pre-owned 2007 BMW 335i. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.